Welcome to this Outgrow walkthrough. In this video, you'll learn how to build interactive calculators that strengthen your SEO rankings and drive qualified organic traffic. Interactive calculators occupy a unique position in search. Unlike static content, they answer questions that genuinely require computation, making them highly shareable and link-worthy. Search engines treat them as permanent assets, not just blog posts. The calculator categories that have historically attracted the most referring domains include ROI calculators, cost savings estimators, benchmarking tools, compliance, and risk calculators. For this walkthrough, we'll use the ROI calculator template. Once you open the template, your first step is to customize the welcome screen. This is the first thing your visitor sees, so make it compelling. Add a strong descriptive heading, for example, Lifestyle Change ROI Calculator. Follow that with a short description that sets expectations and a clear CTA button to prompt users to begin. You can also upload a relevant image or a video to increase visual engagement. Next, add your questions. Each question should move the user closer to a personalized result. Here are some examples to get you started. Which lifestyle change are you considering? How many cigarettes do you smoke per day? How many days per week do you plan to exercise? What is your estimated weekly spend on cigarettes, alcohol, or processed foods? What is your age range? You can add as many questions as your use case requires. For each answer option, be sure to assign a numerical value. This is what powers the calculator logic and generates personalized outcomes. Once your questions are in place, configure the outcomes section. Based on the answers a user selects, Outgrow will display a result tailored to their inputs. This is the core of the interactive experience. Make each outcome specific, actionable, and relevant. Outgrow gives you multiple options for capturing leads. You can place a lead generation form on the welcome screen, insert it as a standalone question within the flow, or attach it to the outcomes page either as a pop-up or as a section below the result. Choose the placement that best fits your conversion strategy. Head over to the Overall Design tab to align the calculator with your brand identity. Here you can upload your logo and adjust its size using the slider. Add a logo URL and set its alignment. Apply your brand colors and typography. You can also explore the layout section to change the structural format of your calculator. Before going live, click the eye icon to preview the full experience. Review the design, content, and calculator logic end to end. When you're satisfied with the result, click Go Live. You can then share your calculator via a direct link or embed it on your website using the embed link. Ready to build your first interactive calculator? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start creating today. Sign up to try it now